You don't respect her. You know, the moment I will share, the Spirit of God revealed to me.
Yes.
The Spirit of God revealed to me that your uncle is in abroad, USA.
So for the question, I can abroad.
Then as one more cassa break. They say, Midmaster and but you know it. We a man-to-man counseling. No, listen. My dear, tea, and ya DVR and Babeo, and then you have been maybe sounds of pan. No, name or mind in our choking, also now be phone, then only relief a watch you. No, it's different. That's it. Wouldn't mean with I deal with the mindset. It is hard enough, babe. If I'm when you relieve, I'm a what you want, so pressure and doubts now the casacas and you stop. May I quick, I won't keep that, okay? That's what they do.
Timothy Oba, they all say, a woman, my punch, say, Mamma Casa Murana, a young woman, the nephew, and said the Bible can't say, the whom the bench so. So, there was some young woman punch and I'm burrow. Ni pim na when in say be ya wan dwin mu no be be fine no adwin ma wada o
na me ba sure na ahofo ka mo bia na
say ha dwuma no na be na pim na men
oh da bi say aka me sa
hallelujah abroad you want to say me ka say abe asma me kan mo ba
no kre onko bronde de katu say tafo med mo pan kona so say
so futoro
you know something. He is preparing to take it to abroad, USA.
Ne nansa na from no ba from akọ USA abroad man. Me kai gba go home abe asma me kai mba
you know me
daddy
have you met before
no
yes. You know something before this prophecy will come to pass you have certain things you have to do for this prophecy to come to fulfillment and one the first thing is also the body ne batch ba me fie kwan wa to ani hwa any gate
that's it
do also we odi for power then kwana mo the only prophet end time revealing and diversifying all situations.
Oh God.
Suffer.
Counselor Debbie. Please. Oh please. Oh Debbie Patrol. Miss Roy.
It's okay.
Miss Roy. Please.
Cool.
No.
Hey,
cool down. Debbie. Oh.
Ti akwanche ni bi ne ba be na o se di bugura mu se bi be piu na me so ati ase
so no me ankanisa na
ya ankanisa ba ta akwanche di with you for the challenge na akwanche ba ni aye afro so enye too much ya dey titie so titie so
we dey too much we dey too much
don't worry yourself ati yambo acham na munwe ye keto pa banchi mo lodu kotokwa nan odamo kon mo de bogu fe wo mo don't worry yourself ati beti bufu ati
and last but not the least you have to bet all your clothes
what you say said ye be yankopon ni onyom be da dinti ko hyew ntade a wo nyina ansa no to akwantu atesa no
abe besim dom na no sofo da bio mi bisu asemo anya bia ma ayoboni bi
da bi
no sofo e ba din tinu tu me ka cham da man ka sho mental man ka sam nam ho mu nyina hwe nu ya dam nam ho nyina mata ko nam pogba kwa aka ni ba che bem na me ka fa men hye won
krate
you tell me go you don't want to travel
I'll travel
you are not serious